Sir, actually I started solo traveling as a compulsion because I never had any friends who could actually accompany me for longer travels, sir. So they used to accompany me for short distance travel. So I started traveling solo, and later I realized I liked traveling solo more because it helped me to realize my potential more. It helped me to fight my weaknesses more. It helped me to communicate better. So initially it started as compulsion, but later I liked it more and I continued it, sir.
So what are places you visited and what are weaknesses you've seen?
So I've actually visited 16 states of the country solo in the last 3 to 4 years, or maybe like more, sir. So I realized initially I was a bit skeptic to start a conversation with the people, sir. Now I'm more comfortable to start a conversation with the people. And initially I was skeptic to actually travel solo in darkness. Now I felt that I overcome that fear. So yes.
Traveling only you do photography?
Yes, sir. It's not. I'm not a professional photographer, sir. Like I do microblogging. To microblog, I usually click with phone camera itself, sir.
Who is best photographer for you?
For me, a best photographer is the one who actually captures the moment, rather than creating a moment and artificially doing it. The one who captures the moment and captures the essence of the moment is the best photographer, as per me, sir.
Name some persons.
I'll check more about it, sir.
What is microblogging?
So microblogging is writing content in very limited number of characters or limited number of words. We actually describe the picture we post in very limited number of words, sir.